What's up, everyone? I'm Joe from Car Jomez, and today we are back on location at Dairy Queen. And it's so great to have Dairy Queen because it's not something I get to enjoy quite often, but it's the holiday season and they have a holiday treat. It is the Peppermint Hot Cocoa Blizzard. And I cannot wait to dig into this. But before we do, please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you are in a position to support even further, look down in the description and maybe check out some of my merch. But until then, Peppermint Hot Cocoa Blizzard Dessert Treat. We got little pieces of candy cane in there. You know what? I could get to do a little pause because we got some landscapers doing their work today. But what we basically got is a vanilla blizzard with candy cane pieces for that peppermint flavor. And it's the holidays. You don't have candy canes really any other time of year. But it fits the occasion. But this is kind of worthless. I'm not gonna lie. Basically, a vanilla shake with broken up candy cane pieces, and there is really nothing to that. If you like peppermint, yeah, sure, this is fine. It's not going to insult your senses, but it's supposed to be peppermint hot cocoa, and I'm not getting any of the cocoa here. And that's really disappointing because Dairy Queen usually hooks it up. There's usually something great where you can't wait to come back and get another one of these DQ Blizzards, but this is not going to be one of them. So, in the holiday spirit of giving, I am going to give this, the Peppermint Hot Cocoa Blizzard, a single main man. 1 star for just utter basicness, uselessness, worthlessness. Big deal. You gave me vanilla shake mix with some candy cane pieces. That's kind of lame. I'm very disappointed by this. This should have been a lot better. Absolutely basic. No bueno. Don't waste your time. Please remember, like and subscribe. Get down in the comments if you've had this. Tell me what you think, or if you've got another offering from Dairy Queen that you prefer. Otherwise, until next time.